Well, you alright everybody?
As you can see, I've been busy making myself a, well, torture device by the looks of it. And this will be the, I think, second time I've tried to escape. First time failed, so let's see what happens. Ooh.
The little black bit you see on the bottom, that's an eye bolt for another chain, so I could put a chain through there and around my waist or something like that.
Hi, go on, go on. And now you know why it failed last time. Yes, ah. And this is what goes from the front. That's the chain to it, clips to it, locked there. And just to be safe, get a key there. So if I can't get out, the key is there. Safety first. Here we go. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.